All right, here is my take on the property on Hamlet. Let's go take a look at it. All right, we got a tri-level house. Let me expand this out. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-half-bath, 2165 square feet. Been on market for 3 days, 1978. Show vacant home. Please have offers due by Tuesday. Okay. 4 bedrooms, flex space for office, open living room, vaulted ceilings, bay windows. Okay, let's go see the map. Okay. This one was next to Pippin, which was something that we were okay with, location-wise. Okay, so let's go here. Yeah, so nice home. Vaulted ceilings, looks like hardwood floors. It's got this old stone fireplace. Nice vaulted ceilings. Okay, look, is this a step down? Looks like it's a recessed step down into the kitchen from this photo. Looks like it's tile, granite countertops with some. Oh, it doesn't look like it's a step down. It looks like it's pretty flat there, which is good. Okay, so I've lost kind of the flow here. Oh, okay, I see it. Oh, so it goes way back there. Okay, let me just double check that this ground is flat. Okay, I don't see some type of, it's level there. It's level here. This is the back room, goes into the slider of the back room here. All right, what's back there? What is this room back here? It's got a wood stove. Okay, kind of lost the flow here. Looks like a laundry room. Okay, there's this kind of room back here. Okay, it's a master suite back here. All right. So this is bedroom 1, bedroom 2, upstairs bath, bedroom 3, upstairs bath, 4. Okay, so here's kind of the, oh, okay, it's got the laundry room back here, half bathroom. Okay, that kind of makes sense now. All right, so looks like we have a half bathroom here, full bathroom here, another half bathroom, and a full suite. So that's quite nice. Good square footage. All right. T111 siding. It's got a patio. Nice yard. Pretty low maintenance. Nice windows. Nice vaulted ceilings throughout the house. So okay, not too bad. They're asking for $540. Not a bad price. 0.2 acres. This is, yeah, it's quite big. Okay. Let's look at some houses in that area. Let's go super tight here. Let's see what comes up here. 3 months detached. All right, let's go older. So 1950s to the 1990s. Let's go style. We'll do split, tri-level, and daylight range. These all have basements. Okay, so very similar to okay, so I don't know the reason why the one I have isn't included. I think it's probably because of this. Well, let's see. Yeah. So 540. Let's see. Kind of what we have seen. It's all updated at 640. It's pending. All right. So let's go with this one, 555. So this one, okay, it's got vaulted ceilings, updated kitchen. It's got some datedness to it too. Okay, not too bad. So that was at 520. Went to 555. Let's see, this one. Why did this one go to 580? Let's see what this one, Inez. I think we've seen this one before. Yep. Yep, we've seen this one. This one was nice. This one started at 550 and then went at 580. So 30,000, 5%. All right. All right. And you were asking on the value. Okay. So the value, I think, is actually since it does have these vaulted ceilings and it does have this lot that's pretty usable. The home does have like kind of this generational living, which is actually pretty sought after right now. So I do think when it comes to the valuation, it is definitely there. I do think they will get multiple offers. Okay, so that goes into there, that goes there. This goes into the utility room. This is kind of that hallway. It goes to the half bathroom and the utility room, which is on this side. So it's quite nice. I mean, Master Suite's a little off the beaten path a little bit. Compared to the other bedrooms, but with this floor plan, let's go back to the floor plan. This floor plan actually works for a lot of people, and with multi-generational kind of usage, which is here. So, you know, this bedroom and this is a half bathroom, I'm presuming. So you got 1, 2, half. So got a garage, kitchen. It doesn't even live like a split level or tri-level. So this is kind of my thoughts on it. Sorry to kind of ramble on. But, okay, looking at the valuation here, man, yeah. I think it's going to be around that 560, 565, even up to 580. Inez was very similar to it. I mean, it does have some features that Inez had. We definitely looked at that. This 599, why is this going to, is this 55 and older? I believe so. 55 and older. Yep. Okay, so this is not comparable. So the 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Okay, so this is Hamlet right next door. What's this one? This is a 5-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,900 square feet, 615. Why does this sell for? This is right down the street too. Okay, it's got a big yard, big deck. Yeah, this is worth 6. Yeah, this is nice. It's all on one floor too. So updated kitchen. Okay, so we know that this is the upper level. This is going to be, yeah, this is definitely nicer. So we already know that it's definitely not going to be worth more than 615. But I do believe that it's probably in the 580. I think it'll go like to 580 if there's multiple offers. Okay, if there's multiple offers. 82nd, that's not even comparable. 80. Let's see what this is about. This is at 556. This will actually tell us a lot. 556. Okay, so this has some old features to it as well. Some newer features, vaulted ceilings. Yeah, so this is newer and older. Very similar. I would say very similar. Look at the tile. It's very similar to what you got there. Got some deck, some pillars, some unique features of the property as well. Okay, so this is, what is this? 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,044. This one listed at 515. It went all the way to 556. So this kind of, and it was all cash too. 556 all cash. Okay, and this was a split level too. Okay, so 556. Okay, we're at a little larger, 540. Yeah, I think it's like 570, 575 is going to be your winning bid here. And if you want it more, I would go to 580. But I think 575 is kind of where I would be comfortable bidding at. 575. Hopefully that helps. I'll send you this, and we'll go from there.